in the plenary, which took place yesterday, before we had the press event. It was at the what's called the VIC, the Vienna International Center in Vienna, in a small room where all of the ministers and all the Iranian negotiators sat in a horseshoe. And I was privileged to be there with the secretary. And after the cameras left, each of the ministers made a statement about what this meant to them. And the Secretary of State was the last person to speak. And he went through his remarks, which were moving in and of themselves. All of the remarks by all of the ministers, including Minister Zarif, were very moving, because it was in private and it was about what this deal meant to them. So at the end of it, Secretary Kerry, completely impromptu, said, "When I was 22, I went to war." And then he choked up, sort of like I did a few minutes ago. He couldn't get the words out. And everybody was completely spellbound. And he sort of got his voice and said, "I went to war, and it became clear to me that I never wanted to go to war again." That's what this was all about, trying to settle these matters through diplomacy and peaceful means. And it was such a moving moment that everybody in that small room applauded, including the Iranian delegation, and everyone had tears in their eyes.